Good morning, everybody. It's Morning Pages, day 14. I'm back at my own house, or in a house that I rent in the room that I live in. But I'm back. Monday, still in a daze. Gonna do these pages and see what happens. Here we go. Today is July 3rd. July 3rd, 2023, and let's do it. Well, I'm done. I didn't see that happen. I didn't see the camera flip up, so I don't know when that happened. I'm still in a daze from sleep, but I did write 3 pages. Again, I'm sorry I need to get like a tripod or something, because I don't know, I've already said that. So page 1, page 1, page 2, page 3. I hope that camera wasn't flipped up the whole time. I'm really like out of it this morning. I'm really feeling like I'm still asleep. Even writing those pages, my mind was not fully there. I was writing a lot slower than I typically write. I just really feel kind of out of it. I don't really have anything to report. That was it. Morning Pages, day 14. I don't know. I'm so tired right now still. But yeah, that's it. Nothing really to report. I mean, I just wrote those pages, and yeah, I should have more tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the halfway mark, so that will be like a celebration day. So maybe, I don't know. We'll see what happens, but those are the pages. Still, like I said, I'm still just in a daze, so I gotta like wake up over here. So I'll talk to y'all tomorrow.